All right, guys, a lot of you have been asking me to keep doing these series where I'm showing you guys a specific colorway or a specific silhouette in my collection. In today's video, I'm gonna highlight the Air Jordan 5, man. What's going on YouTube, man? Thanks for tapping into today's video. We're gonna do a little bit of movement around the room, you know what I'm saying, picking up some fives here and there. I feel like I got a couple in the closet, but hopefully there's a lot in the back of the drop front. So if you guys are new here to the channel, right now I need everybody to do is hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for your boys to miss out on any content that we do drop over here on the channel, man. I don't want y'all to miss anything, any news, any restocks, and none of that. So make sure y'all hit the notification bell. There's a lot of y'all watching today's video, bro. There's a lot of y'all watching today's video. I'm gonna put y'all on blast that ain't subscribed to the channel. It's a crazy differential from the people subscribed that's watching, the people that's not subscribed that's watching the content. So I need everybody, man, hit that subscribe button for your boy. And also lead that up with a huge like on today's video, man. Them likes go a long way and it really helps the channel grow. It really does, man. So hit that like button for me, man. Yo, I think it's only right to show you guys my most worn Air Jordan 5 in my collection. You guys are not gonna believe me, but it is the Air Jordan 5 Off-White. So I literally got these back in 2020 or 2021. I can't remember the year they specifically dropped, but I know the day like it was yesterday. We went live, your boy was trying to get a W. I said, no matter what, I'm getting these things. And the resale wasn't that bad the same day of the drop. Now they're still floating around like $600-700, but this is something I definitely want to add to the collection. As you guys can see, man, I didn't beat these things up, bro. Like I literally worn these so many times, different sneaker events, different, you know, some venues around the city and stuff like that. I had to pull out the Off-White 5s. They go with a lot of different things and they're super versatile, man. But nonetheless, bro, one of the best Off-White collabs with Jordan Brand, the Air Jordan 5. And they also dropped the black pair, which I was really wanting to add to the collection, but those might be coming very shortly, man. But again, had to highlight the first one, the most worn one, and probably like top 3, top 4 for your boy, the Air Jordan 5 Off-White sales. All right, guys, next we have the Air Jordan 5 top 3s, bro. The top 3 Air Jordan 5 colorways, which I honestly do agree with. You have the grape or the aqua tongue, whatever you want to call it. You also have your metallic colorway on here, and then leading up with the fire red Air Jordan 5 colorway, man. Definitely top 3 in my opinion. You guys can comment what you think the top 3 Air Jordan 5s are, but here are the Air Jordan 5 top 3s. And then next, I gotta show you guys a little bit more heat, bro. A little bit more heat with the Air Jordan 5s. And we have the Air Jordan 5 Dust, man. This is the Dust colorway. You had to follow it up and add the Dons to the collection as well. Go ahead and check them things out. I feel like the Dons pop a little bit more, but as far as quality and as far as the craftsmanship, I don't know what it is, bro, but I'm leaning more towards the Dust pair that did drop, even though it's more on the basic side of things, bro. But you did get your, you know, aged outsoles, the I'm on my year logos and stuff like that. You also had the same age look on the side and mid panels of these Air Jordan 5 I'm on my year joints. So super dope, had to have them in the collection. I've only worn these so far, but I'm definitely gonna be throwing on the Dons very shortly. Yo, I had to grab these things, man. Had to grab these things. You guys know you got the burgundy Air Jordan logo up top, so these gotta be the Air Jordan 5 burgundy joints. Now this one right here just screams nostalgia to me, man. I remember like it was yesterday, growing up, seeing a couple of the homies having these on feet, some of the big homies, and I was like, bro, them things are super dope. It's an all burgundy sneaker, you feel me? And you cannot go wrong with it, bro. So when it came back out in 2023, you know your boy Da Vintage had to secure them things, had to add them to the collection. And now we here, bruh, doing this collection video of some Air Jordan 5s. And there's a lot of those Air Jordan 5 colorways that I will be showing y'all that I kind of grew up liking, and then eventually Jordan Brand brought them back out, and that's why I really had to add them to the collection, man. But go ahead and check these beauties out, Air Jordan 5 burgundies. And then speaking of more nostalgic Air Jordan 5s or classic colorways or OGs, whatever you want to call them, bro, these will be coming out this upcoming March. We have the olive Air Jordan 5s, and every time I come into the sneaker room, every time I show these on camera, bro, I literally just getting back into awe, you feel me? Like, they're so dope, man. And whatever they did to the leather or to the, you know, nubuck on the upper, bruh, they killed it. As far as, like, you know, giving it more of a crazy effect to it. Like, they made it pop even more, if you ask me. And once you guys do see them in hand, you're gonna see what I'm talking about. And man, it's crazy because I just feel like Jordan Brand been dropping so much heat these last couple of years, bro. And I think they just tailoring it more towards those people that's actually gonna go out and get those classic colorways, man. But next, here you guys see, bruh, we have the what the Air Jordan 5s. And these right here just scream like what the, you feel me? Just what the, like that's all you can really say. You got the Shanghai vibes on the side. You also have, like, I don't even know what all they did with this one, but you got like the Toro hits over here. You have the Air Jordan 5 Shanghai. You got some grape down there. You just got a lot going on with this sneaker, bruh. And this is something I definitely won't wear a lot, but it's just something dope to have in the collection to kind of look at. And I will be wearing these. I ain't just buy sneakers just to, you know, look at them, but I will be wearing these things soon. But they went crazy as far as the details, the hits, all that stuff, bro. They just went crazy on these. And before we get any further with today's video, man, I know I'm out of frame, but please let me know what all Air Jordan 5 you got in your collection. If you got too many, go ahead and comment your top 5 Air Jordan 5s that you have in that collection, man. But next, another one of those, like, you know, burgundies or olives. These dropped back in 2021 or 2022, I forget, man. But the green bean 5s is another ones, like I promised you, bro. Like, me and a homie Mel, we went driving around trying to find some dude that had these joints. He traded his KDs for a pair of green beans and things. Was super beat up, but we always wanted to add the green beans to the collection. He got them first, bro. He got them first. That was back in 2000 and what year was that? 2013. And now we spin all the way around the block about 9 years later, and we get another drop of the green beans. But super, super dope, man. Like, me pulling these out just make me want to wear them a little bit more, because sometime when I do come in here, I get overconsumed by the content, putting out to you guys. But it's actually looking at them, bro, seeing what Jordan Brand brought back out. These joints is just super, super beautiful, man. All right, man, I got a crazy story about these joints right here, man. The Black Grape Air Jordan 5s. I actually got these when I was in Luxembourg, man. Luxembourg, me and a homie, the Retro Wiz Kid, we was both over there in Germany. We visited Luxembourg, and they had these joints on one of the tables. And I said, man, I always wanted a pair of the Black Grapes. And they had them in my size, actually 8.5. But I feel like back in the day, I could fit an 8.5. Now, these new sneakers, I can barely fit a size 9. But these are a size 8.5, and I had to have them. Y'all see the aging in the outsoles, the icy blue soles. And I think these laces came from another Air Jordan 5, which we're gonna be showing you guys here shortly, man. But another one of them ones, bro. Another one of them ones where, like, if they came out, bro, you would have to cop it, you feel me? All right, guys, next we have the Air Jordan 5 UNCs. Got the crazy little Jordan tab, great, you know, it's quality inspired by the greats play, everything. A lot of people aren't feeling that, but definitely something that I wanted to add. Kind of an impulse buy initially because I got them early, and I was like, man, I'm all over these UNC 5s. But now that I got them, I'm like, it's just another Jordan 5 to add to the collection. And then next we have the Air Jordan 5 Metallics. Not disrespecting these so bad. Literally have not worn them since 2016 due to the fact that I don't know where the lace is at. I know I can get another lace from another Air Jordan 5, but I gotta pull these things back out, man, because I haven't worn them in some years. The quality is still like pristine. They're starting to yellow. They're starting to get that reimagined look that they're trying to throw in these newer sneakers that are releasing, like the reimagined 3 white cements. But this is how it come naturally, bro. Naturally, they yellow. And this is what Nike's trying to beat us to with yellow in all of our sneakers, bro. Yo, guys, it's definitely heating up. You guys see it, bro. We have the Air Jordan 5 Toro Bravos, man. Something that you gotta definitely have in the collection. One of my top 3 Air Jordan 5 colorways, in my opinion, ever dropped. Just love how I had the icy blue soles on there. And to top it off with that crazy, vibrant red upper, man. I love them, man. Then next we have the Air Jordan 5 Oreos. Another one of them ones that, you know, kind of falls along the lines of the olives, of the burgundies. Just something you gotta have. They dropped back in the day. I remember people rocking these joints when I was 11th grade. I'm like, man, y'all got some fresh kicks. You feel me? What them called? They said these Oreo 5s, man. I said, you know what? I'm gonna snag them one day, and now here we have them in the collection, bruh. I love these things. Again, I gotta pull them back out, man. So y'all gotta hold me to it, bruh. Hold me accountable. I gotta start rocking my Air Jordan 5s, man. All right, guys. Next, we have another crazy Air Jordan 5. This is the alternate Bel Airs, or the Bel Air 2.0s. Something super crazy that a lot of people didn't grab. These were sitting everywhere. I'm talking about everywhere. And, you know, this is back when your boy's trying to come up on YouTube. I was grabbing everything, reviewing everything. And this is something I've been trying to sell for the longest, man. But I'm just going to keep them, bruh. I don't think they're a bad sneaker. They just not the regular Bel Air Air Jordan 5s to everybody. All right, guys, we heating up, bro. I got to grab both these things. Like I told y'all, pulled the laces out and put it in the Black Grapes. But this is the alternate grape Air Jordan 5s right here, man. Super clean colorway. How to put that energy towards copping them things. And this is the alternate grape Air Jordan 5s. I love them, man. Super cold, man. They cold, man. And then next we have the DJ Khaled We the Best Air Jordan 5s. On the other sneaker, it does say We the Best on the back. But I really want to get the white pair. I actually got a bid on StockX right now for the white pair, so hopefully somebody accepts that bid. They're going for the low ski. I'm telling y'all, bro, grab them DJ Khaled We the Best 5s now while they low, bro. Super clean colorway. I love them, man. That coral peach all over. And you got the milky outsoles of We the Best on the outsole. Bro, these days cold, man. I can't tell me these ain't dope. And then another one of them ones like the UNCs. This is the Oregon Air Jordan 5s right here. You guys know the Oregon Ducks. You know they all green with the yellow hits. The only thing we didn't get with this one is the duck logo on the tongue or on the heel. I forget which one it was, but you got that same little tag that everybody hates, the Jordan tab with the quality inspired by the greatest player ever. But these right here, man, super clean. I almost sold these a couple of times. Like every time I was about to sell them, I was like, nah, bro, I gotta keep these things. But here you have them, bro. Air Jordan 5, Oregon Duck, PE-esque, if you want to call it that, man. And I remember the hype for these like it was yesterday, bro. People was going crazy for them, and now everybody forgot about them. That's how it comes. The hype comes and goes in the sneaker community. But I remember we got these back in 2020 or 2019, one of the two, and I was all over them, bro. I had to get 2 pair of these things. But it's a clean Air Jordan 5 with a Nike Air, man. Fire reds. This is one of the ones you gotta have in the collection, man. I must say that. You gotta have these things, bro. There's no doubt about it. This is one of the must-haves, man. And another one of them unique colorways, bro. We have the Air Jordan 5. I think they call these like the deep blues or something like that. I didn't beat these things up right here, man. But I definitely think they should bring back something similar to this, you know what I'm saying, color what they were doing, or just mix it up in a Roy G Big, you feel me? That would be super lit, man. And then next we have the Starfish, aka the Shattered Backboard Air Jordan 5s. I remember when these came out, I was going crazy over them just because they had a different like material on the back, and usually it's all leather. But on this one right here, they kind of got this wickered material, or kind of like the same material you get on the side panels, but the side panels are totally different. The upper of the heels is totally different. And the quality was super good on this Air Jordan 5 Starfish, man. And then last but not least, bro, probably one of the most unknown sneakers in sneaker history, bro. I don't even remember having these joints. I honestly don't even know the names of these, but I ain't gonna lie, bro. Kind of give you like a cool gray hit. Then you got the red hits in there. It's actually a pretty neat sneaker, but I think they did a little too much with the tongue, adding in like that camo hit. And they also threw the camo hit on the back of the heel and then put the two. They just did too much this right here. But definitely we need the cool gray Air Jordan 5s to come back out. Then that'll be dope. But this is the last Air Jordan 5 that I can find in my collection. I feel like I'm missing a couple, bro. I'm just being real. So I appreciate you guys for tapping into today's video. I don't know if this video is quick or not. I feel like I was talking a lot, but it's super dope to grab some 5s out of the collection, kind of talk about it, remembering a couple stories about them, and sharing it with you guys. So if you guys did enjoy today's video, please leave a huge like. And if you are new here to the channel and you ain't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button for your boy. I appreciate all the support. Again, thank you guys so much for tapping in. And all that's being said, your boy The Vintage is gonna catch you in the next video, man. Peace.